Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for your EIN number. An employer identification number, or EIN, is like a social security number for your business. It's a 9-digit number assigned by the IRS, essential for tax filings, opening bank accounts, and hiring employees. We'll cover the simple steps to obtain this crucial identifier, ensuring your business is properly set up from the start. There are several ways to apply for your EIN, but the quickest and most common method is online. The IRS website offers an immediate confirmation once your application is complete. Alternatively, you can apply by fax, mail, or even by phone if you are an international applicant. We'll focus on the online process, as it's generally the most efficient for most new businesses. To apply online, navigate to the IRS website and find the Apply for an EIN section. You'll answer a series of questions about your business structure and the reason for needing an EIN. Be ready to provide details like your business name, address, and the responsible party's social security number. After reviewing everything, submit your application and receive your EIN immediately. Remember, generally only one EIN is needed per legal entity. Double-check all information for accuracy, especially your business name and responsible party details, to prevent any processing delays. Once you receive your EIN, save the confirmation letter and application details in your business records. This ensures you have all necessary documentation for future reference and compliance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.